Today we have the 2019 Audi Q3. This vehicle has done just over 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our phone apps, vehicle settings, navigation, smartphone integration, news, weather and our user profiles. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our drive select button we can switch between our 5 different driving modes.